Mary, there is a woman at the front desk. She says she is an influencer.
Okay, what does she want?
She wants a free room, free breakfast, and a free spa day. She says she will post about the hotel.
How many followers does she have?
She says a lot, but she did not show me any numbers.
We cannot give free rooms without approval. That is hotel policy.
I know, but she is very loud. Other guests are looking.
Stay calm, John. Bring her to the small meeting room.
Good idea. Less people there.
I will call the manager. He decides these things, not us.
Okay, what do I say to her now?
Say, we are happy to help you. Please come with me.
That is very polite, even when she is not.
That is our job, John. We stay professional.
The manager is here. He is talking to her now.
Good. Let him handle it.
She is leaving. She looks unhappy.
That is okay. We followed the rules. That is what matters.
You are right. Thank you, Mary.
No problem. Good work today.